The Recycling Ranger, saving the planet one can at a time. Joey finds a secret map that leads him to a very important mission, saving the planet by recycling.
This must be a job for the Recycling Ranger.
He gathers all the supplies for his mission, cans, bottles, and paper, everything he needs to recycle and save the world.
Time to sort and recycle.
Joey knows that recycling is all about sorting things the right way. Paper in one bin, plastic in another, and cans in the last.
I'm doing it! I'm a real Recycling Ranger.
Joey uses his special Recycling Ranger powers to turn old things into new treasures. He's reusing instead of throwing away.
This box is going to be the best treasure chest ever.
Joey's recycling powers turn trash into treasure, and now he has a special treasure chest made from an old box.
It's perfect! My very own Recycling Ranger treasure chest.
Outside, Joey continues his mission. Every bottle, can, and piece of paper he recycles helps the Earth stay clean and green.
Phew! Saving the planet is hard work, but I can do it.
Joey promises to always recycle, reuse, and protect the Earth with his Super Recycling Ranger powers.
I promise to recycle, reuse, and help the planet every day.
Sometimes the best treasures are already hidden at home. Joey finds an old toy he can reuse instead of throwing it away.
I thought I lost this. Now it's good as new.
Every small action adds up to big changes. Joey knows that even one bottle can make a difference.
One bottle saved, one step closer to saving the planet.
Mission complete. Joey's room is clean. The recyclables are sorted, and he's earned his place as a true Recycling Ranger.
Saving the planet is fun, and now I'm a real hero.